Good morning.
Morning.
Today is day 5 as we head out from the hostel that we stayed in last night, which was actually day 5, yeah. It was actually really a nice place. Kind of quiet though. I regret not packing a little fan. All these rooms are really, really quiet at night and it makes it hard to fall asleep. So I'm going to have to find myself just the right little packable travel fan. I've tried a couple different ones with no success. So I just need a little bit of white noise. But we slept well, not enough. It is up and 8 a.m. and we are on the road. So we have another full day packed of adventure. So we will take you along with us. Does anyone know what these round things in the water are? If so, leave a message in my comments and let me know. I assume there's some kind of fishing nets or something, but I really don't know, so I was curious if anyone does know. Okay, this is our first stop of the morning. So knowing we're on a tight schedule today and lots of stops, jeez, Tiffany and I are staying up here on this, this rock formation cliff area where Matt decided to run all the way down to the bottom so he could throw rocks into the waterfall and take pictures. So we told him hurry it up though because we have places to go. We gotta get on the road. We have like an hour to the next stop and we have quite a bit of stops today. Yeah, Tiffany's still a little tired. It's our first stop of the morning.
Oh, I look tired.
Yeah, we got in and out of the up and out within like 25 minutes. So it's very impressive. Yeah, we wanted to sleep till the last minute. We were all tired. Had a little bit of insomnia last night. So, all right, we'll check back in. Climbing up into the mountains. We see snow. Driving up this mountainside on these rough gravel roads are making me have anxiety. The snow is very pretty. It's getting so high up. You're not stopping.
Just looking.
Concentrate on driving.
I have full concentration on driving. I get 90% concentration on driving. The other part I'm trying to look around.
Okay. After traveling an hour and a half through the mountains, we've arrived to this waterfall. Right down there.
Oh, there's somebody getting ready.
The water's so clear. You can tell it's cold out by the way we are dressed, and look at this guy doing a cold plunge, taking off all of his clothes and a couple of times plunging into the cold water. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. We hope you're enjoying this series of our time in Iceland, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Okay, so we just left this little market. This is the only little market in town here. But we were able to get groceries. So we got groceries for dinner tonight, some soda, some snacks, some bagels and cream cheese and fruit for breakfast in the morning, $84 US.
There were a few restaurants to choose from in this town, but we chose this one because the reviews said that the food was good and the service was fast. And I have to say, despite the fact that this restaurant is technically in a gas station, the food was fantastic, all freshly prepared for us. I would highly recommend finding these gas station type restaurants when you are in Iceland. The food will not disappoint you.
All the restaurants just have water. You can help yourself too, which is very handy.
Yours gets lemon.
Ooh. Just had a delicious lunch at this place called the Filling Station Food Co-op. It is a gas station, but they make everything inside fresh, and the food was delicious. And right over here next to it, it's just amazing, beautiful scenery. Beautiful. And this cute town.
Yeah.
It's right on a harbor here. Cruise ships. One little street of shops we're gonna go down. And church, which is over there. So we're gonna go to the church too.
I really like that.
Isn't that cute? That store had a lot of cute stuff, but everything was expensive. They had a cute little wooden handmade puffin. He was really cute, but he was like $75. And not that he's not worth it, because he's handmade. It's just more than I want to spend right now. So we didn't buy anything. Such a cute small town. All the houses are different colors all along the harbor.
At the end of Main Street, there was a little park with a man selling some handmade jewelry, so we had to stop and take a look.
Did you get your gems? Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful stuff. Nice. And Matt got a gift for his girlfriend, which he can't show us because it's a present. All right. Nice.
You
Glad
gonna
we
give it to her
came.
like as a souvenir from the trip, or is it like?
Glad we came upon this. This is super cute. Yeah. This little store here doesn't really have a name out front, but it says here it's a craft market. We want everyone here to know that nothing is mass produced and everything is made by our hands. And there's two women inside actually knitting sweaters right now. It was just such cute stuff. Love this one. Tried on this one, really liked it, considered getting it. They're just so beautiful and colorful. I'm probably gonna regret not buying it. So many pretty things. I spend a lot of time making. All right, we are at Hungafoss, and we are going to attempt to walk up there. Rick is not coming. He wanted to stay in the car and rest for a little bit. He had a hard time sleeping last night. He's tired and we have a lot of driving to do today. So he's gonna stay in the car while we head out. I didn't know you were waiting for us.
I sure to go off on the turn. I saw that move this way, so I just waited here.
We're reading that sign.
There's only the one, so I had to wait.
Mm.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Okay, we're gonna start climbing up these stairs. All right. Another hike uphill. Just a little bit further uphill. We have to go all the way there. This darn waterfall better be worth it. Came from way down there. All I have to say is I hope this waterfall is worth it. What time is it, Tiffany?
4:33. Wait,
2:33.
We've been hiking uphill for 33
That has
minutes.
military time, but doesn't know
So
how to do
33 minutes uphill. We're not done yet, so
it. So drop the one.
I hope it's worth it. I'm getting tired. I'll let you know how it goes when I get to the end. Back at it after another hour drive. We are on the ring road now again and walking up to see a waterfall. Rick's joining us this time.
guess who's back?
Back again. Okay, so we've arrived at the hostel for the night. It's called Akureyri's Backpackers, and I'll try to show you around a bit. This is basically it. 2 beds, a chair, and bunk beds. And that is all. This is our own little room, and then we have some bathrooms down the hall, and hopefully there's showers somewhere. Let me find out. Did you find showers? Basement. Showers in the basement.
This hostel sits above a restaurant, so we went down there for a quick bite and something to drink. And then in the morning, before we headed out to catch the ferry, they were kind enough to make coffee to send us on our way. So that was pretty much our whole day. Thanks for joining us.